Hey, what's up guys? Jeremy here. So this is the last video of Module 2, how to create your RoboDK station from scratch. In this one, I'm going to give you a small bonus example that you can do on your own to test out the different skills that you've gained so far. Let's see that. If you open Module 2 folder, you will find 02B Drilling 3D bonus. So if you open this one, you will find here a bunch of files. It's exactly the same thing as what we've did since the beginning. So the beginning of Module 2, in fact. So the goal is to create a station from scratch. So Control N. You can bring in whatever robot you want, honestly, in this case. The only thing we have different is here, instead of being a part that we need to cut around, we have a first part that we need to drill in. So the goal will be to create the targets to drill those 6 holes. And you need to add a robot, honestly add the robot you want. And we have one custom tool here called custom spindle. So if I bring it in, you will have one custom spindle right here that you can create the TCP of where it needs to be, and attach that directly onto the robot flange. And last but not least, you have by the way the spindle PDF to be able to figure out the orientation, curvature, and then the positions. And you will have here in the same folder another part. So I'm going to delete this one here, delete that here. You will have another part called part 2, and even here PDF here for the first part with the position of the holes, so that you can use this here. And for the second part, you will have here another, this time just a picture with the position of each of the holes that needs to be drilled. And here you have to create a path around it to kind of do the finishing of the part. So here, using move C's in the corner, I purposely did not give you any transition point. I only gave you the radius of that corner, so you kind of need to extrapolate the intermediary point. So the goal is to come in, drill the 8 holes, and then do a path around to finish the exterior of the part. So the part is here. So those are the two parts you can practice on. You can add the robot, obviously whatever robot you want, add the table, make sure the tool is properly positioned and everything. So that will be a good test to see if you understood the different aspects of the software I showed you during Module 2. So that's pretty much everything for this one. As I mentioned in the previous video, the next topic is pick and place simulation. So we'll learn in Module 3 how to do basic pick and place application using RoboDK. This will end the first section of 3 modules that are more basic, but are really the foundation of everything we'll see going in the future. So I hope it was helpful, and I hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day, guys.